extra innings. Why the name extra innings? In this topic, whatever we get extra, that is the answer. That is why the name extra innings. Whatever we get extra, straight away that is the answer. That is the reason why the name extra innings. Take down the first one. There are 450 students in a school. There are 450 students in a school. 325 students play cricket. 325 students play cricket. 175 students play football. 175 students play football. 50 students play neither. There are 450 students in a school. 325 students play cricket. 175 students play football. 50 students play neither. How many students play both? How many students play both cricket and football? How many students play both cricket and football? Total is 450. 50 don't play any of the games. 325 play cricket. 175 play football. The question mark is on both. Total 450. 50 don't play. Then how many are playing? Only 400 are playing. There are only 400 who are playing. Out of a total of 450, 50 don't play any of the games. Forget them. How many are playing? Only 400. Now coming to this. See here. 325 play cricket, 175 play football. Total it is showing us how much? It is showing us 500. There are only 400 who are playing, but it is showing us 500. How much extra it is showing? 100 extra it is showing. Extra means the answer. Therefore, the final answer is 100. 100 students play both cricket and football. 100 students play both cricket and football. There are only 400 who are playing, but it's showing us 500. How much extra? 100 is extra. Extra means the answer. That is why the name extra innings. Now your doubts may be like this. It looks like a problem on Venn diagrams. Okay, now let us discuss Venn diagrams. Each and every detail about a Venn diagram. Venn diagram means overlap. Okay, overlapping diagrams are found out by a person by the name Venn. Okay, Venn diagram, Venn is the name of a person. Overlapping circles. Okay, so one circle is for cricket, the other circle is for football. In case of any Venn diagram, rule number 1 is you must always fill up the centralmost place first. You must always fill up, you must always write first at the center. This is the centralmost area. Here we must write first. This is the area covered by both the circles, meaning the number which comes here, those many students play both cricket and football. The one who comes here, they play both cricket and football, but that is being asked. The question mark is on how many students play both cricket and football. So can you write in the beginning itself what is being asked? Impossible. That is why it is not a problem on Venn diagram. If you know what is to be written at the center, then it will become a problem on Venn diagrams. And if you do not know what is to be written at the center, then it is a case of extra innings. This is the difference between these two topics. If you know, continue with the Venn diagram. If you don't know, forget all this, come to extra innings, right? And in this problem, we don't know how many students play both cricket and football. We don't know what is to be written at the center. That is the reason why it is a problem on extra innings and not on Venn diagrams. Now our answer is 100. Let us place it at the center. We are not solving the problem is already solved. The answer is 100. This is extra. Now I am giving you the knowledge about Venn diagrams. So our answer was 100. Let us place it at the center. Cricket circle should show us 325 because 325 students play cricket. This is the cricket circle and here we must have 325. Already showing us 100, balance 225 should be placed here. Cricket circle is of course showing us 325. Now coming to football. Football circle must show us 175. Already it is showing us 100, balance 75. This is not at all. Okay. This is not at all. Why? Because 50 non-playing students should also get representation. 50 non-playing should also get representation. For that we will have to go for one compound to this school. Now school is getting a compound. Those 50 should fall outside the rings but within the boundaries of the school. This is correct and complete Venn diagram. Now you can check any information, everything is alright with the Venn diagram. Cricket 325, yes. Football 175, yes. Both 100, yes. Not only that, how many are playing? 400 are playing. Inside the circles we must have 400. Check it out. 225, 300, 400. 400 are playing. 50 non-playing, total 450. Everything is all right with the Venn diagram. Now coming to the crucial word in this Venn diagram. Which is the crucial word? This is the crucial word. What is this? What is this? This is only. O-N-L-Y. Only is the only important word in Venn diagrams. Only is the only important word in Venn diagrams. Cricket 325. Only cricket 225. Football 175. Only football cricket is different. Only cricket is different. Cricket 325. Only cricket 225. Football 175. Only football 75. So we must learn to give respect to the word only. Only is the crucial word here in this Venn diagram. See here what all can be asked. Cricket, football, both. Only cricket, only football, only one game. Playing, non-playing, total. As many as 9 questions can be asked on this. Only one game. These are also playing only one game. These are also playing only one game. 225, 75, together 300. Okay, 300 play only one game. This is everything about the introduction part. In fact, okay, by taking one simple problem, I have tried to explain each and everything in this. Okay, extra innings.